Hi, in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to display colors in material and render modes in Blender. Okay, so first we need to select our object and then I will change mode to vertex paint. For example, I change color by clicking here and increasing this value. Now I select blue and I will paint this object, maybe something like that. Okay, and now if you will go to material or render mode, you will not see this color. So if you would like to change this situation, you need to change mode to object mode, and then we need to extend this window. Now I click on this icon and I select here shader editor. Now we can zoom it and we need to type from our keyboard Shift A. Then we need to click search and type here color attribute. Then we select this one option. We need to click somewhere here, and after that you need to connect color from color attribute with base color from principal BSDF. So I will do it now. Now you can change this value to attribute, and if you will change the mode to material mode or render mode, you will see that your color is visible now. So how you see it really works. So it's everything in this video. If I helped you to do it, remember to like this tutorial and subscribe my channel because it really supports my work. And that's all for today. Thank you for watching.